Hey, hello my friends, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm going to stipulate the reasons why you are getting bored in your relationship, in your current relationship. So, are you new to my channel? Hit the subscribe button down below and the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you are the first to get notified. Yes, to book a one-on-one counseling session, go to noraarake.com/booking. And to purchase any of our products, go to noraarake.com/shop. Don't forget to follow my Facebook at Nora82 and my Instagram, I am _Nora. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Now, you don't need to feel guilty that your relationship is boring you. You just need to understand the reasons why your relationship started to bore you so that you can do something about it before it's too late. So, here in this video, I'm going to give you some of the reasons that could be the cause why you are getting bored in a relationship. Look at them closely. Try to scoop out what is in line with you so that you know what your next move is going to be about. So that you know what to do next. Yes. Number one, your relationship is highly predictable because of your daily, monthly, weekly, annual routine. You know exactly what, when, where, how you are going to do with each other every day, every hour, every second, every week, every time. You know exactly what's going to happen. Look, when love is monotonous, someone, even you, starts to feel stifled, like as if you're locked in a room, a lifeless room. Love has to be fun, unpredictable, loving, adventurous, humorous all the time. So, things don't have to be as monotonous as they are right now. Number two, giving up on your personal goals. Look, remember before you entered this relationship, you had your personal goals, aspirations, ambitions. You were working for something. You wanted maybe to build a business, maybe to build a house, maybe to start up something. And now when you entered this relationship, you have forgotten about it. Your life is not interesting and exciting anymore. Many couples make this mistake. They put their personal goals at hold. Maybe graduation, school, maybe college. They stop all those and settle in their current relationship. Life starts to become very, very boring when you put your personal goals on hold. Number three, do you remember the last time you did something exciting together as a couple? When we are in a relationship for some time, you start to take things like excitement and happiness and surprises and outings for granted. Do something exciting with your partner. Plan a vacation. Go out. Picnic. Dinner. Go dancing. Do something exciting. Go ziplining. Do something that excites your life and your body, that brings up the adrenaline rush in you guys. You need it. Number three, getting too comfortable with each other. Most people think that getting too comfortable with each other is a long-term relationship goal, which is okay. But getting too comfortable is not always good. it starts to bring in feelings of complacency and boredom in a relationship. You might realize it or not, but as humans, we like to grow in a challenging environment. Now, if the environment is very comfortable, doesn't challenge you to grow, doesn't challenge you to new things, doesn't challenge you to new heights, it becomes too comfortable and too boring. Number 4, the fragile foundation. When you fall in love, it's always advisable that you take your time to build your foundation, to build your relationship. But if you jump from 1 to 8, then to 10, today you've met, then tomorrow you're staying together, and the other day you're having a baby, and the other day you're getting married, like you jumble out things. You do things very fast without thinking, without planning. Like when the reasons you're together is because maybe it's a rebound relationship, or maybe of great sex, or maybe great looks. Like you are together because of something that is not really important. This relationship starts to bore each of you, either of you. Always take your time while dating someone before you fall in love or even move in together. I'll tag a video in the description about how to have a long-term relationship, a long-term happy relationship, and about the foundation of a relationship. Number 5, forgetting to flirt with your partner. Look, ladies, gentlemen, you have to flirt all the time with your partner. Make your partner have those chills. Make your partner feel like, when am I reaching her or him? When am I seeing her? What are we going to do when we finally meet? What are we going to do when I reach home? Kill your partner with anticipation and longing for you all the time, every day, every time. Number 6, searching for greener pastures. Let me tell you something. If you are somewhere in your gut not contented with your partner, you're still looking around, looking at greener pastures, looking at better opportunities of better lovers and better partners, this relationship starts to bore because you are sucking the life out of it. Instead of investing your thoughts in a relationship, your love in a relationship, you are thinking of a better person, a better partner, a better relationship. So this relationship starts to bore. And let me tell you something, if you feel this way, then there is nothing you can do. You have to let go, because you will never be happy. You will keep looking for greener pastures. You will keep putting a plan B somewhere, an escape plan, a plan B and C. What if it doesn't work? What if this happens? If your partner is making you feel like you are not contented for some reason, don't force it, because no matter how much you force it, you will always get out. Number 7, never having arguments or disagreeing with your partner is boring. You know, like there are some cultures that train ladies and some gentlemen that whenever something is annoying you in your relationship, keep quiet, put water in the mouth, close your mouth, don't talk about it. A man is always right. Don't argue with him. You be a yes woman, be a yes man. Don't interfere with his decisions. Yes, 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 yes. Quiet, quiet, quiet. It becomes boring. You are not challenging at all. You don't have anything to say about someone's wrong decisions. You let him or her do whatever she pleases, or act however she wants to act, or do however he wants to do. It gets boring. You become a boring partner. Number 8, the sex is just boring. All the time, same position, same rounds, same everything, it gets boring for your partner. No room for innovation, not trying new things. You are always the same person all the time. The way you scream, the way you act, the way you mourn, everything is the same every day. Your partner knows how you are going to do this, how you are going to hug him, how you are going to touch him, how you are going to cross your legs. Everything is just so predictable and monotonous, and it's the normal you, year in, year out. Missionary style, day in, day out. Like, you become boring. It is boring. Having complete separate hobbies. You have something different you're doing, and your man has something different they are doing. It's very different. You're living separate lives. Nothing brings you together. You only meet when you are tired of your jobs and your hobbies. When you are together, you don't enjoy anything. That's why it's very important to at least have something in common with your partner. You enjoy with your partner. It makes life meaningful. It makes life exciting. It makes life meaningful. It makes you happy when you are together. It's not good to be together. One enjoys sport and one enjoys something very different. You never meet on an exciting ground. Next, you have completely lost your life. It's not you anymore. You left everything. You left your friends. You left your family. You left the things that used to excite you, your hobbies, because you are with your partner. Very wrong and dangerous mistake. Life will get boring. You will be sucked up in this marriage or this relationship if you lose yourself and your life. Next, thinking that you are going to find all the happiness in your relationship. Like I always tell you, happiness comes from within you. You do not have to suck out all the life in your relationship because you're looking for happiness from your partner. If you're not happy, your partner won't make you happy. If you are sad, you are going to instead put sadness in your relationship. So find happiness in yourself, find love in yourself, fill your jar with happiness so that it will later overflow to your relationship. Next, do you spend every minute and every day and every time, every second together with your partner? Life becomes boring. Be outgoing. Have a life outside your relationship. Have a life outside your marriage. You are a human being. The more you keep spending all the time sucked up into your relationship without having your personal me time, life is going to get boring. You must have some special time outside your marriage. You have to learn to give yourself me time as a person. Love yourself. It will give you enough love into your jar, your life, to outflow to your relationship. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you've learned something. Look at all these parameters and find out why life in your marriage or your relationship is boring and do something about it. Yes, share this video and give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section. I love you. Let's meet in the next one. Don't forget to follow my handles I have tagged in the description below. Bye.